Hi, welcome to my new video. Here we have the Dell t630 Power Edge server with 16 bay, and this you can use the G10 server caddy. They are compatible, and what we've done today is upgrade the CPU to 12 core, so two of them, 24 core and 48 threads. And here, if you take a closer look, it has the same dual SD card boot module. Her 730 controller is not the mini type, and it has the same 12 lane on each CPU, so it's plenty of the upgrade option. It looks exactly the same with the t620. So we put this back. This one, it came with the data center license R2 for the Windows 2012, and you have two redundant power supply units, two ports, and the i3 8. So let's fire up, see how noisy is this server. Got another one here. So this one just internal SD card, it needs to match, and he said SD card 1 is like offline, so we need to insert the SD card tipper. just in case you have the hard drive upgrade from the older machine, you need to press F2 and enter to the device setting, go to the RAID controller, configuration utility, feature disk management. Okay, feature disk management. Moment. Manage foreign configuration, preview, and you click import foreign configurations, click confirm and click yes, and you click OK, and you go back, feature disk management, and you had the Dell configurations from the T620 import to the T630. So you tap finish and you can go to check the system BIOS, system informations, processor setting, make sure all the tweets are enabled, HT is enabled. Click finish, yes. So you will continue to boot to the internal SD card that we installed the VMware 6.7. Actually this one can upgrade to 7, so because we just migrate from the T620, so the T620 is more stable on the 6.7 Dell EXE versions for U4, which you can download from the Dell website. Yep, and it start loading.